Hi guys and welcome back. This is a request video and today I'm showing you how to attach individual eyelashes for supernatural effect. For this we're going to need latex based glue and I'm using Duo here and a flat pair of tweezers and of course the eyelashes. These are the lashes that I'm going to be using today. They're V-shaped 12mm D-curl lash. The steps are pretty simple. First, I need to disperse a little bit of the glue on the back of my hand and detach the lash. Individual lashes are very fragile, so you have to be really careful when detaching them from the base. Once you get a good grip of your lash, you will want to dab the base of the lash in the glue. You will only need the tiniest amount of the glue to adhere the lash onto the base of the natural lashes. Now guys, it was quite tricky to record this video as the camera kept defocusing from the eye onto my hand. So I apologize for that, but I will walk you through the steps. They're quite easy. So once you dabbed each individual lash in the glue, you will want to place the lash onto the base of your lashes. You can place it on top if the lashes are quite dense. If the lashes are quite sparse, sometimes you can wiggle the lash in between the natural lashes. And like this, the result will be even more seamless. Usually I start this procedure from the outer corner of the eye, moving towards the inner corner. And sometimes closer to the inner corner, I step down in the lash length and apply shorter lashes. As you can see here, after I applied each individual lash, I'm asking my model Renelle to look in front of her so I can assess if the lash has glued in the right position. This Duo glue dries pretty quickly, but until it sets, I have a slight moment to adjust the placement of the lash if I'm not quite happy. So this is how I adhere the lashes. Now, once it's done, you need a few moments for the glue to fully take in, and then you can go over and coat them in the mascara. Today, I'm using Queen MUSIA mascara and my usual fan brush for the hygiene reasons. And I apply mascara from the bottom first, and I want to cover the base of the lashes as much as I can. Also adhering the natural lashes onto the falsies. These will give me the seamless result and it will look like the lashes are naturally full. Once this is done, I also can go over on top of the lashes and this will give me a thicker lash appearance. Sometimes I skip this step, especially when working with fairer features, but today I decided to coat them on both sides and you can see that now the lashes properly look like they're Renelle's own. Now from this angle, lashes look fantastic, but when using individual lashes from above, sometimes there is a slight giveaway. As you can see here, lashes can reflect light, especially in the area where they are adhered onto the eyelid. So here I'm showing you a little trick and I'm using a gel liner and a very fine liner brush and I'm coating this area generously in the liner. If you don't own a gel liner, you can use matte black eyeshadow and this will also do the trick. So here you go guys, this is how I adhere individual eyelashes onto my models. Thank you for watching and I see you on my next one.